Have you ever created a table in WordPress website that looks perfectly fine on desktop, but whenever you try to switch to the mobile view, the columns get squeezed and the letters are unreadable, which gives poor experience to the user. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about one of the plugin that I found out on the internet, which makes all the table mobile responsive across your website. So what you need to do, just head over to this website and open this link techimong.in/blog. Just open one of the posts, that is how to make WordPress table mobile responsive. Click on it and you will find the link here. Download the free plugin. Once you download this plugin, just head over to your website where you want to apply this plugin. Just go to the plugin section and just click on the add plugin. After that, you will find a button upload plugin. Click on it, choose file and just upload this plugin. After, click on install now. Once then click on activate plugin. Once it is activated, if you want to find the settings of these plugins, just head over to the settings tab and here you will see the responsive table. You don't need to touch anything, just go back to your post where you have inserted the table. Just refresh it and here you will see that all of your tables are responsive now. So thanks for watching. If you are still facing any problem or facing struggle to install this plugin, do let me know. Just ping me or just comment on this video. I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching.